In this video, we will go through the Quanscient Allsolve projects overview page. You will be seeing this page immediately when you log in. You will be able to see all the projects that you have access to. And this list can either be filtered. We can filter to see all full script projects or projects with any of the chosen physics. So it's an OR filter. It will match any projects that have any of the selected physics. Or we can do a search either by name or description. So we can find our EM waves, or if we find lorem ipsum, which we have here in the description, we will be able to find those projects.